Today we're taking a look at the Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer, a compact yet powerful desktop FDM printer designed for beginners and hobbyists who want high performance without complexity. It's aimed at people who want high-quality prints, simple setup, and smart features, all in a small footprint. Key specifications and physical details. Material, mostly high-strength steel and aluminum frame with quality mechanical components for stability. Color, gray finish, fits into any desktop or workspace style. Product dimensions approximately 15.2 times 16.8 times 17.9, about 38.6 times 42.6 times 45.6 centimeters. Item weight, about 17.8 pounds 8.08 kilograms, light enough to move, but solid enough for stable printing. Build volume, 180 millimeters. A good balance between size and capacity for daily projects, performance and features. Automatic calibration. The printer calibrates itself, no manual leveling headaches. High max temperature, nozzle can reach up to 300 degrees Celsius, allowing printing with common filaments like PLA, PETG, TPU, and PVA print speed up to 500 millimeters per second, which is very fast for a printer in this class. Multicolor printing, with the optional AMS Light multi-material system, built-in camera, lets you watch prints and record time-lapse videos. Quiet operation around is less than or equal to 48 decibels. Noise, good for home or workshop use. Smart sensors includes filament, runout, tangle detection, and power loss recovery for reliability, connectivity, and software. The printer connects via Wi-Fi, microSD, or USB, and works seamlessly with Bambu Studio software, which is available for both PC and Mac. You can also control it from your phone with the companion app. Who should buy this? Beginners who want something easier than DIY kits, students or hobbyists who want fast, reliable prints, makers who appreciate automation and smart features, people with limited space but still want serious quality. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a feature-rich, beginner-friendly 3D printer that brings advanced automation, fast print speeds, and reliable results to your desktop. Now, today we're talking about the Elegoo Centauri Carbon 3D printer, a fast, enclosed CoreXY desktop machine built for precision, rigidity, and professional-type materials, yet still friendly enough for hobbyists and advanced makers. Brand and build. Technology, fused deposition modeling, FDM, perfect for functional prototypes, robust parts, and everyday prints. Frame construction, fully enclosed chassis with a die-cast aluminum body and clear tempered glass door, helping keep temperature stable and prints consistent. Color and appearance, mostly silver-gray metal with a rugged industrial-style enclosure that's both practical and visually appealing. Physical and key specs. Build volume printable size, 256 millimeters. A generous size for desktop systems, ideal for medium to large parts. Printer dimensions, approx about 15.6 times 15.9 times 19.3. A solid footprint that fits most workbenches. Weight, around 17.5 kilograms, 38.6 pounds, sturdy without being too heavy to move if needed. Power requirement, 100 to 240 V input, compatible with global outlets, great for makers anywhere. Performance and print features. Motion system, CoreXY, designed for faster, more stable prints with less vibration. Max printing speed, up to 500 millimeters per second, high speed capable. Max acceleration, 20,000 millimeters per second squared, helps produce faster print speeds with accuracy. Precision, plus or minus 0.1 millimeters printing accuracy with layer thickness. Between 0.1 to 0.4 millimeters, recommended approximately 0.2 millimeters. Nozzle, standard 0.4 millimeters, hardened steel brass nozzle, capable of up to 320 degrees Celsius, ready for engineering materials. Build plate, dual-sided spring steel pay plate, textured plus smooth, for better adhesion and easier print removal. Automation and smart sensors, 121-point auto bed leveling, no manual leveling fuss. Filament runout sensor detects when filament ends and pauses the print to save material. Power loss recovery resumes prints after an outage. Built-in chamber camera lets you monitor prints remotely. Operation and connectivity. Display 4.3-inch capacitive color touchscreen, intuitive and responsive. Connectivity, USB flash drive and Wi-Fi for file transfer and remote control. Software works with Elegoo Slicer, Cura, and Orca. Supports STL OBJ3MF formats. Material compatibility. PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS-ASA, carbon fiber, reinforced filaments, and more. Thanks to the hardened nozzle and enclosed chamber setup, the Elegoo Centauri Carbon is a high-speed CoreXY enclosed 3D printer that brings professional-style performance to a home or workshop environment. And finally, we're checking out the Anycubic Kobra 3v2 Combo 3D printer. The Kobra 3v2 Combo is a bundled machine usually paired with model-changing hardware Ace Pro that allows multicolor printing and automatic material handling. Ideal for beginners and intermediate creators, physical and basic specs, printer type FDM FFF, desktop 3D printer. Color finish, mostly silver and black industrial frame with visible gantry construction. Print volume 255, 260 millimeters, enough space for most standard hobby projects and medium engineering parts. Machine dimensions, approximately 452.9 times 504.7, 483 millimeters, W times D times H. Weight, approximately 9.37 kilograms for the Kobra 3v2 main printer, plus Ace Pro units around 4.6 kilograms each. Build platform, heated pay spring steel bed, providing great adhesion and easy part removal. Printing, performance, and features. Multicolor printing supports up to 4-color or 8-color printing when 2 Ace Pro modules are attached. This lets you produce colorful models in one print. Print speed, recommended 300 mm S with a maximum of 600 mm per second for fast production. Acceleration, up to 20,000 mm S, smoother, faster motion for detailed prints. Nozzle, standard 0.4 mm nozzle with support for optional 0.6 mm and 0.8 mm sizes, and a maximum HO10 temp of 300 degrees Celsius. NA for playa, PEG, ABS, ASA, PCPA, and more material support varies between the base printer and Ace Pro. Auto leveling, Levi Q3.0, auto leveling with zoned compensation makes bed setup easier. Smart sensors includes filament runout detection, power loss resume, AI spaghetti detection, and a 720 PhD camera for remote monitoring and time-lapse video. Ease of use and connectivity. Touchscreen, 4.3-inch capacitive touchscreen for easy control. Control methods, print via USB, Anycubic app, slicing software, app functionality. The Anycubic mobile app supports remote monitoring, control, and real-time printing logs, great for beginners and busy creators. What materials it works with, main printer PLA, PED, TPU with some limitations. Ace Pro multicolor module can handle PLA, PEG, ABS, ASA PCPPA, HIPS, though TPU is suited better for single color due to feeding constraints. Finally, the Anycubic Kobra 3v2 Combo is a compelling choice. For anyone who wants multicolor 3D printing with advanced features without a huge price tag, it's beginner-friendly with intelligent automations, powerful enough for varied materials, and large enough build volume for most everyday projects.